Today we have an exciting topic for all you aspiring entrepreneurs out there. If you're looking to earn some extra cash and explore your entrepreneurial side, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 easy side hustles that you can start as a beginner. 1. Graphic design. If you have a creative flair and enjoy working with visuals, this could be the perfect option for you. Many businesses and individuals are in need of logos, social media graphics, or even website designs. You can start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can even approach local businesses in your area. 2. Content creation. Next up, we have content creation. With the rise of social media platforms and online content, there's a high demand for engaging and informative content. You can start your own YouTube channel or blog, focusing on a niche that you're passionate about. Share your knowledge, experiences, and insights. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even selling digital products. 3. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have a skill that others want to learn, online tutoring is a fantastic side hustle option. Platforms like Tutor.com or VIPKid allow you to connect with students worldwide and teach them various subjects or languages. You can set your own hours and rates, making it flexible and convenient. Just remember, great communication skills and patience are key to becoming a successful online tutor. 4. Handmade crafts. Are you a crafty person with a knack for creating beautiful handmade items? Well, why not turn your creativity into a side hustle? You can make jewelry, home decor items, or even custom-made gifts. Platforms like Etsy provide an excellent opportunity to showcase and sell your creations to a global audience. Remember to market your products through appealing photographs and engaging product descriptions. 5. Virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals need help managing their administrative tasks, scheduling appointments, or handling customer inquiries. As a virtual assistant, you can provide remote support from the comfort of your own home.